Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Brazilian cheese bread. 3/4 of a cup of milk, about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. And you can use other cheeses, Parmesan cheese, Jack cheese. You could also use a mix. And then we have tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch. This is 1.5 cups of this. And we'll just blend this up for just a couple minutes until it's well blended. Super easy. And then usually I'll come in here with a spatula and just kind of scrape down any of these corners where some of that starch kind of got stuck. And now we take a mini muffin pan and spray it with cooking spray, or if you don't have the cooking spray, you can just take some cooking oil and dab it on like a paper towel or a clean cloth, and then move it around until it gets the muffin pan nice and covered. And then we'll just take our batter here and we'll just fill them up almost all the way. So you should be able to get 24 of these. And now we're gonna bake this in the preheated oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius on the middle rack, and bake it for about 20 minutes. It's gonna puff up and get lightly golden brown. And when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this. And then let them cool for about 5 minutes in the pan, and then we can transfer them over to like a wire rack to cool completely. And I wanna show you what it looks like on the inside when you pull it apart. Look at that. Give it a taste.